Yes, welcome to Smartphone Doctors. We are now making LCD 37 medium display, displaying white display. Okay, we have done. Let's try to check and see with the battery there, and we test. Power off. Display is white, no anyone. So white display only. Yeah, okay. So white display. We come and see. What shall we do? We are going to make like this. There are 37 legs. Now we need to make only 2 legs there, and that is number 2 and number 3. Have to add the number 2 and the number 3. I think you can see clearly. Number 2 and number 3. You get the solder, you put there slightly, very well, like as you can see. It is done just like that. Yeah, that's like that. It's done. And we have to check what we have done. Check and see. We check and see. Check. Oh, sorry, the battery was changed with the terminal. Make sure you put the battery very well. Good. Done. Very well. Yeah, that is Smartphone Doctors Uganda. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page for more. For most of it, we put it at our Facebook page. Thank you for watching Smartphone Doctors video. Do subscribe for our video for more tutorial video like this one. It's only number 2 and number 3. Number 2 and number 3. You put the solder in between them to get the display of 37 medium LCD 37 medium. It's only number 1 and number 2. Yeah, it's done. I think it's okay. All seen. Thank you for watching.